Good morning. In my last lecture, I was discussing about BPSK, that is binary phase shift keying. In this lecture, I want to talk about differential phase shift keying, that is DPSK. Here actually we are talking about the technologies by which the digital data system which is collected from the computer is converted to analog signal, and then the signal is transmitted, and again at the receiving end it is again demodulated, by which we can get the digital data system from the analog system. Okay, now when we are talking about the differential PSK, that is DPSK, this is a non-coherent version of PSK, and this DPSK combines two operations. One is the differential encoding and the next one is phase shift keying. DPSK helps for the better understanding of whether the received data is inverted or not. Okay, and in DPSK it does not require the synchronous carrier or the demodulator for the receiving of the signal or for the detection of the signal. Okay, now I am going to talk about the DPSK generator. For that I have to draw the block diagram. Okay, and I have to generate the DPSK here. Okay, so this is the block diagram of the DPSK generator. Okay, see the diagram here. Here the data system, which is DT, is collected from the computer, and this data DT is to be transmitted. So this DT is applied to the input of the XOR logic gate. Okay, means the one input of the XOR logic gate is DT. Then the output BT of the XOR logic gate is delayed by 1 bit time interval, which is TB, and then this signal is applied to the other input of XOR logic gate, and the delayed output of is represented as B of T minus TB. Okay, now the output of XOR gate, again it is applied to the bipolar NRZ level shifter as input. Okay, that means the output of XOR logic gate is applied as input to bipolar NRZ level shifter, which converts a bipolar level signal B dash T from the input BT. See the diagram. Okay, here the input is BT and the output of bipolar NRZ level shifter is B dash T. Okay, it is and the output of the bipolar NRZ level shifter is a bipolar level signal. Okay, then the BT dash, which is the output of bipolar NRZ level shifter. Okay, this output is multiplied by the carrier signal at the balance modulator, because the output of carrier oscillator, means the carrier oscillator is generating a signal whose value is root over of 2 ps cos omega ct. This is your carrier signal, and obviously the output of bipolar NRZ level shifter is P dash T. Both these two signals are given to balance modulator. Okay, and they are multiplied, and after multiplication from the output of the balance modulator we are getting DPSK signal. Okay, that means we have generated DPSK signal. Now see the diagram here. See the diagram here. Here one input is B dash T, which is from bipolar NRZ level shifter, and obviously the other input is generated by the carrier oscillator. Okay, and the value is root over of 2 ps cos omega ct. So when these two signals are given to balanced modulator. After multiplication, we are getting the output, and this output is nothing but your DPSK signal. Mathematically, the signal can be written as V DPSK of t is equal to B dash t into root over of 2ps into cos omega ct. Okay. See the table. This is the table when Bt is 0, B dash t is minus 1, and when Bt is 1, okay, B dash t is plus 1. So for that, when Bt is 1, okay, and B dash t is obviously 1, for that suppose I am going to mathematically write the VDPSK, that is VDPSK of t is written as root over of 2ps into cos omega ct. Similarly, when Bt is 0, for that we know that B dash t is minus 1, so we can write VDPSK of t as root over of 2ps into cos omega ct. Now we have to understand the waveform of DPSK. See the figure. This is the waveform of DPSK. Okay. See this diagram. Okay. We have drawn the waveform of DPSK. So this part is your DT, which is digital signal. Then this one is your delayed signal, that is B of t minus TB. Okay, see the block diagram, you can understand. And similarly, the next signal is what? Your Bt. Then this is your B dash T. Okay, when, and obviously when Bt is 0, B dash T is what? 1. Sorry, when Bt is 0, B dash T is minus 1, and when your Bt is 1, for that B dash T is what? Plus 1. Okay, so this is the wave diagram of DPSK signal. See the diagram. Here there is 1 bit delay between Bt and B t minus Tb. Okay, and from the block diagram it is clearly understood that when Bt changes its level at the beginning of each interval in which dt is 1. Okay, that means Bt changes its level when dt is 1. Okay, see the diagram, you can understand. Here this is the level of Bt, and similarly, suppose I am talking about or I am comparing Bt and dt. See the diagram here. So Bt is first this level, and similarly see the diagram for dt, but dt at the number 3, dt changes 1. So for that Bt is also changing its level. Similarly, see the diagram, block diagram, at interval number 6, dt changes its dt value is changed from 0 to 1. Similarly, here also Bt is changing its level. Okay, and similarly see the block diagram once again. Here the interval number, I am talking about the interval number 10 at this point. So here also see and the diagram and compare dt and Bt. So when at level 9 dt change from 0 to 1, sorry, when at level 10 dt is changing from 0 to 10, here also your Bt is changing its level. And see the diagram, when dt is 0, Bt is continue at its original level. It is not changing its level. Okay, that means when 0 is there when the value of dt is 0. Okay, this is the binary is 0. Then for that bt is not changing its level, but when dt changed the binary number, that is 0 to 1, then bt is changing its level there. Okay. And here also we can understand that dt is 1 sometimes for bt is 1, and sometimes bt is also 0 for dt is 1. Okay, that means only when the dt is changing from 0 to 1, then only bt is changing its level, but but that does not mean that bit will change its level always when dt is 1. Okay, so that means sometimes when dt is 1 also bt is 1, and sometimes also it is 0 also at the time of dt is 1. Okay, so here we may conclude that bit will change its level when dt is 1 only, and it will not change its level when dt is 0. Okay, so this is the understanding of waveform of dpsk. Okay, thank you very much.